Example 3, we have example 3. Peter Harrow, CFA, is an analyst working for Fortuna Investors in country A, laws of which prohibit acceptance of any gift from vendor. So this country law says that you cannot accept any gift from vendor. Okay. Georgina Hapeman, CFA, has evidence that Peter has been receiving gifts from a vendor, Georgina from a vendor. So there is a law which says that of in country A, so there are two members, Peter and Georgina. So Peter is an analyst for Fortuna Investor, and country A law says that in that it prohibits investment manager from accepting any gift from a vendor. Okay, so if it is any gift from the investor or from the vendor, if it is any gift situation, then what should have the investment manager done? Then he cannot accept any gift. It is a MS law situation, and our institute code says that it can receive modest gift, but the law of land says that you cannot receive any gift. Which one is stricter? It our country law is stricter, so it is a MS law. Which one prevails? MS law prevails. Okay, so he should not have accepted any gift. So Gina CFA has evidence that Peter has been receiving gifts from a vendor. Okay, Gina has some evidence that he has been receiving gifts. Gina should do what? Gina should A, dissociate herself from activity, ask Fortuna to persuade Peter to cease the activity. Isn't it in sync? I think it is correct. She should dissociate. Yes, she should dissociate. Also, there was step 2, if you can recall. Step 2 is inform your supervisor, employer, compliance department. So both steps are there. Dissociate herself and ask persuade the employer to ask Peter to cease the activity. I think A is correct, but B, let's have a look at B and C to be sure. Dissociate herself from the activity, ask Fortuna to persuade Peter to cease the activity, and inform regulators of such violation. Again, informing is not a compulsion. Number 3, dissociate herself from activity, ask Fortuna to persuade to cease the activity, and inform CFA Institute. Informing CFA Institute is also not a compulsion. So A is correct answer. Okay, you can have a look at rational. We have already discussed.